In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections and smart collections in Adobe Bridge. Whether you're organizing photos, illustrations, or any other type of media, understanding how to effectively create these collections will significantly enhance your workflow. To get started, open Adobe Bridge on your computer. First things first, ensure that the Collections panel is visible. If you can't see it right away, don't worry. Simply go to the top menu bar, click on Window, then navigate to Panels, and from there, choose Collections. Alternatively, you might find it conveniently located in the sidebar, depending on your setup and any prior customizations you've made. Once you have the Collections panel in view, you're ready to begin. To create a new collection, look for the New Collection button in the Collections panel. It is usually represented by a plus sign or a folder icon at the bottom. You have two options here. You can either click the button directly, or if there's a specific set of files you already have in mind, first select them from the Content panel. Once they're selected, hit that New Collection button. Shortly, Adobe Bridge will prompt you, asking if you want to include the selected files in your new collection. It's a handy way to keep your work organized right from the outset. Next, you'll want to give your new collection a name. This helps in easy identification later, especially as you create more collections and need to differentiate them quickly. Moving on to smart collections, these are incredibly powerful. They automatically gather files based on criteria you set. In the Collections panel, you'll find the new Smart Collection button, often right next to where you created a standard collection. Clicking this opens a dialog box where you have a few decisions to make. Start by defining a name for your smart collection. It helps to choose something descriptive that highlights the criteria you're using, like top picks or final edits. Next, specify a source folder or use the current folder you're working within. The most crucial part is setting your criteria. Here you can dive deep into metadata fields, keywords, ratings, file types, dates, and more. For instance, you might want all files where the rating is 5 stars, or only those with keywords that contain approved. This part allows you to tailor the collection precisely to your needs. Moreover, if you wish to include all subfolders or non-indexed files, make sure to tick those options. It ensures that no file gets left out, providing comprehensive coverage. Finally, once your criteria are set and you're satisfied with the selections made, click OK or Save. Adobe Bridge will then automatically gather and organize all files that match your specified criteria into the Smart Collection. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to organize your media efficiently, using Adobe Bridge, streamlining your creative process and enhancing project management.